Welcome to Robertson Homes at Torvean, Inverness. My name is Graham and I've worked with Robertson Homes in the north of Scotland over the last 8 years, and I'm looking forward to inviting you to our latest development in the capital of the Highlands, Torvean. Robertson have been building in the northeast and the Highlands of Scotland for over 55 years, starting as a small joinery business in Elgin in 1966 and growing to one of the largest privately owned construction and infrastructure companies in the UK. Still owned and ran by the Robertson family. A Robertson home is built to the highest standard of traditional craftsmanship while incorporating specification that is way above the industry standard. We put family at the foundation of everything we do, from great locations to live and grow to thoughtful and flexible living spaces. Torvean is part of the Ness Side and Torvean redevelopment master plan and will consist of 114 luxury 3, 4, 5 and 6 bedroom family homes, with many including our signature garden room. You will find the site at the western edge of Inverness, surrounded by the fairways of the King's Golf Course. The city of Inverness is the capital of the Highlands, one of the fastest growing cities in Europe and rated the happiest place in Scotland to live. In fact, the Great Glen Way, one of Scotland's greatest walking trails, runs past the development from its start at Inverness Castle and finishes 78 miles away at Fort William. Torvean is only 2 miles from the centre of Inverness, where you will find a great range of shops, bars and restaurants along the banks of the River Ness. It is also well served by rail, road and air links, with Inverness Airport only 10 miles away, offering daily flights to London and beyond. So if you're looking for a new home in Inverness with spacious rooms, plenty of natural light and a superior specification, we are looking forward to hearing from you.